Hi, thanks for tuning in. I filmed an earlier unboxing of some new Chanel pieces and that video got too long, so I decided to split up my designer haul, and these are the pieces that I picked up from the Boxing Day sales, the after Christmas sale, and there are some really good pieces from a number of different places, so I'm going to quickly run through those now. The day after Christmas, I actually went to Woodbury with my parents and my boyfriend. Sometimes in my family we have this joke where we say we're going to go to like Woodbury, or pre-COVID we would like go to a large mall and we'd say like we're going for exercise, you know, we're going to get all of our steps in as we walk around, as like kind of a joke. That's how it came up, and we decided to stop by the day after Christmas. There definitely were more people than the last time I went in October. I did like a whole vlog from that trip and I shared how there was really like nobody there. It was almost concerning. I did go, that trip I went in October was like the middle of the week, so even accounting for it being like a weekday, it did feel very quiet. So there were more people on this trip the day after Christmas. It still wasn't nearly like the volume of people that I'm used to seeing at Woodbury. I definitely felt like the impact of COVID on that day. But we went to Woodbury and I scored some wonderful goodies. I'm super excited and I almost can't believe my luck. The first item is in here. This is from Todd's. I actually picked this up though from the Saks off 5th store they have there, not the Todd's boutique, even though there is a Todd's boutique at Woodbury. Inside are these gorgeous pair of loafers? Derbies. I think these are platform derbies. And I couldn't believe my luck. I've just been thinking about adding a pair of derbies or Oxfords or loafers in like a black color to my collection so that I can better match with some of my socks, because I have a lot of boots, but because they cover the ankle, it gets harder to showcase your socks. So I was really in the market for picking up a pair of derbies. That's really what I was looking for. And oh my gosh, I could not believe my luck. I found these in the extra clearance section, so they were like $180. I think they were like $675. They were all extra clearance and they were black, they were in my size, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I just lucked out. And so I actually purchased these and I came home and I tried them on again and I realized why they were on extra clearance. So this shoe had a tear in one of the holes. That's why it was on extra sale. Because at the store, I was too tired and lazy to do up all the laces, so I didn't, and instead I just tried it on with my foot in the shoe. But when I came home and I tried to like tie up the laces, that's when I noticed that there was that tear. But that didn't bother me though, because I just took it to the cobbler and it's already fixed. I mean, the cobbler was able to add a new piece of leather and he stitched it back. So it looks flawless, really. It just looks like there's like a little scratch there. That's all it looks like there, but there's no other kind of indication that anything happened there. So I'm super excited about these, and I really love this brown kind of accent because I feel like it adds an extra element. It breaks up the shoe a lot more, and I think it makes it easier to add different sock colors that are brighter without the socks standing out too much. The other place that I really walked out like a bandit, in my opinion, was ISABEL MARANT. I was super, super excited. ISABEL MARANT was having an extra like 50 to 70% off sale on pretty much almost all their inventory in there. First and foremost, I picked up this sweater. You might have already seen this on Instagram because I already wore it. That's how excited I was. And I could not believe that I got this sweater for like 70% off. I felt like it was a super steal. I've seen these styles before, but I didn't know if the shoulders would be too much for me. I didn't know if it would make me look too big. So I never bit the bullet to get one. But because I was able to try it on when I was there, they had my size and it was 70% off. I took it as meant to be, and I went ahead and picked this up. I'm super excited. And the other piece I picked up is this white shirt. You can see it's like really see-through, and it has some beautiful like embroidery detail along the sleeves, and it's like a little funnel at the cuff. And I really got this more to layer underneath my sweaters, but I have a different Isabel Marant sweater, and I have different sweaters that I think sometimes can benefit from having an extra layer and some extra kind of detail peeking through. So that's why I picked this up. This was also like 60% off. So that's what I was super, super excited about. Okay, and then last but not least, this is a gift for someone else, but I just wanted to share, like, the Diptyque holiday packaging this year was really pretty. But that's something I picked up from Bergdorf to give as a gift. And inside here, ta-da! It's upside down, isn't it? Here we go. I was really surprised to see this there, but again, it was another one of those, it was on sale, it was in my size, so I picked it up. This is something that I considered getting for full price in the summertime. If any of this looks familiar, it's because my boyfriend has a pair from this collection, and I picked up the Fendi Joshua Vides slip-on sneakers. This is the women's style that was released as part of the California Sky collection in the summertime. My boyfriend has the men's sneaker, so they're the full lace-up style, and these have no laces. Like I said, I was willing to pay full price for these in the summertime. After my boyfriend got his and he started wearing his around, he would get a ton of compliments on his shoes, like a ton. And like, maybe I was a little jealous, but like, sometimes it made me think, oh, maybe I should have picked up a pair of sneakers too. I did always say that whenever he'd wear them around. I'd be like, oh, maybe I should have picked up a pair of sneakers, but oh well. I assumed they were already sold out. I didn't really try that hard to look for them at the time, and I was happy with the other Joshua Vides pieces I picked up, so I was like, it's okay, you know. I got other things that I liked, so, you know. I managed to find them on sale like 6 months later, so that's super exciting. I can't wait to wear these. I'm super excited about really all of these pieces. These are the new bits in my collection that you will probably see on my Instagram a lot. So if you haven't already, feel free to follow me there. I like to post a lot more of my outfit photos on Instagram, and then just like day-to-day life stuff on stories. I would definitely love to see you there. If you have any questions on any of these items, or really anything at all, feel free to leave them down below, or head on over to Instagram and I'd be happy to help however I can. If you like this video and you agree that I started 2021 off with a bang, then please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate all of your feedback and support. If you like this kind of content and you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I post new fashion-related videos every Sunday and Wednesday. So until next time, bye!